Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to integrate MailChimp to WordPress. Any person who's marketing any product or service online understands the value of an email list. It refers to a list of potential consumers for your product or service collected diligently over a period of time. The marketing automation platform, MailChimp, is a great aid in building an email list, growing a consumer base, and directing all marketing efforts to this highly relevant audience. An email list is an important asset to any website. It is a readily available customized market for your product or service. A high-quality list can mean better conversion rates. MailChimp helps you build this list and is an important marketing tool in the kitty of any digital marketer. It helps store owners find their audience, engage with them, and build their brand. Using MailChimp can create beautiful newsletters, run professional automated marketing campaigns, and track and test each campaign. Now let us walk you through on the first step of your MailChimp and WordPress journey. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What we need to do first is to access and install the MailChimp plugin to your WordPress site. Access the admin page to your WordPress site. It should be like wp-login.php. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse to the plugins section on the left and select Add New on the options. What we need to look is the MailChimp for WordPress brought by iBerryCode. Just click the Install button, and after it's installed, click the Activate button. Now that it's activated, the plugin shortcut will appear on the left side. Hover your mouse to the MailChimp plugin and select MailChimp on the options. You'll be taken to the general settings on where it will be asking for your MailChimp API. To get your MailChimp API, log into your account at www.mailchimp.com. Once you're in the MailChimp dashboard, click your account name on the top right and select Account on the drop-down. On the account page, click the Extras tab and select API Keys on the drop-down. Scroll down to the API keys. If you don't have any API keys, then you can just click the Create Key button and it will automatically generate one. Copy your API key. Then, go back to your WordPress and paste the API key, then click Save Changes. If successful, then you should be able to see the connected status. Right below the MailChimp account will show all of the lists that you have on your MailChimp. So, now that you have connected your MailChimp account, you will now have the capability to make the most out of MailChimp. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!